Step-by-step guide to start remote work in 2025. Want to start working from home in 2025, but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide to land a high-paying remote job, even if you have no experience or degree. So stay till the end, because I'm also sharing the most trusted platforms and resources to get started today. Step 1. Choose the right skill. The first step is choosing an in-demand remote skill. Don't worry. You don't need to be an expert or have a degree. Here are the top skills companies are hiring for in 2025. Virtual assistants, content writing, copywriting, social media management, AI prompt engineering, graphic design with Canva, data entry or transcription, video editing, customer support. Pick one based on your interest and the time you can dedicate to learning. Step 2. Learn and upgrade. You don't need expensive courses. Here are the best free and paid learning platforms: YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, HubSpot Academy, Canva, ChatGPT tutorials. Spend at least 20 to 30 days learning the basics. Focus on practical skills, not just theory. Step 3. Build a simple portfolio. Even beginners can create a small portfolio. Here's how. Writers create 3 to 4 blog samples or ads. Designers make 5 social media posts or logos in Canva. Virtual assistants list sample tasks and templates. AI prompt engineers make a prompt showcase. Video editors edit 2 to 3 short clips. You can show this in a Google Drive folder, Canva link, Behance, or Notion page. Step 4. Create a freelance or remote profile. Next, make profiles on remote job platforms. Start with 2 to 3 of these: Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, Freelancer, People Per Hour, Indeed with a remote filter, Remote.co, FlexJobs, TrueLancer for Asia users. Use a professional photo, strong bio, and mention your skills clearly. Add your portfolio link. Step 5. Apply and pitch smartly. Don't wait for clients to find you, apply. Here's a quick method. Search for jobs related to your skill. Read the description fully. Send a short and clear pitch. Attach your sample work. Ask questions to show interest. Be consistent. Even 10 applications a day can change everything in 30 days. Step 6. Start networking. Many high-paying remote jobs come from connections, not just applications. Join Facebook job groups, LinkedIn communities, Discord and Slack groups, remote work forums, WhatsApp freelancer groups. When people see your skills and consistency, opportunities start coming to you. Step 7. Grow and earn more. Once you get your first job or client, improve your skills and increase your rates gradually. Add testimonials, update your portfolio, and take small steps toward higher paying projects. This is how freelancers hit $500 to $3,000 a month from home. If you want to build a remote income in 2025, now is the best time to start. Here's what to do next. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for weekly remote job tips. And check the link in the About section to start your remote job journey today. Let me know in the comments. Which skill do you want to start with?